turn off voicemail on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps, then look for Phone and tap on it. Inside the phone settings, you won't be able to fully disable voicemail, but you can turn off live voicemail, which is a key step. Tap on live voicemail and toggle the switch off. Once that's done, exit out of settings and open the phone app. In the dial pad, enter this code and then press call. This will clear all call forwarding settings on your device, including anything that might send calls to voicemail or another device. You'll see messages confirming that call forwarding has been disabled. That's the second step. Now for the final step, open Google and search for how to disable voicemail with your specific carrier. For example, if you use AT&T, search AT&T disable voicemail. You'll usually find instructions to either call 611, contact customer service, or log into your account to disable voicemail manually. Most of the time, only your carrier can fully turn off voicemail. You can't completely disable it just from your iPhone. So if you want it gone for good, you'll need to make the request through them directly.